Okay, guys, so what I'm gonna do, I don't really want to scare them, but I don't know, actually. I'm not gonna do anything, you know.
So beautiful.
I wonder what type of birds they are. I think I know what they're called in my language, but I don't know what they're called in English. Oh no, one flew away. Poor. Huh, she's alone. Don't worry. You're not alone. You're with us. I think that one's gonna fly away too. I don't know. It just sits all day. Maybe it's hurt or something. I don't know. But it's not dead. Oh, it's sleeping, I think. No wonder. It's okay.